Hey guys, it's Matt from Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's quick video, I'm going to talk about safety stock days and how they can affect your calculations for things like up to and your purchasing. In front of our screen here, you see we have our purchase stock card in item master inquiry for our item. And you can see currently right now in our calculation, we have 0 days. Now there are a couple different ways and a couple different screens you can set safety stock up. You can set it up by ABC class, you can set it up by supplier, and you can even kind of play with it when you're generating purchase orders using Porg. And one of the most common places to set it up is in item maintenance, which is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to pull this item up in item maintenance, and you can see down here in the replenishment tab, I have the safety stock. Now on this one, I have it set to days with no days of safety stock, which is why we saw 0 in our previous calculation. Now again, there are 4 different ways you can choose this. We can say, hey, we want to run this by ABC class. We want to run it by days, which is what we're going to focus on this video. And then there's service level, which does require you to turn it on in system settings. And then there's deviation multiplier. I'm gonna throw up real quick just the generic definitions of what these are. But we're going to focus on days just because it's easier to kind of demonstrate what we're trying to do here. And again, like I said, you can set this up in different screens, but for the purposes of this, we're just going to do it straight on the item level. And for simplicity's sake, I'm going to say 30 days. I'm going to hit save. And I just want you to see what it does to our calculation. Right now, our calculated order point is 105, and that's where it moves on down in our formula. So I'm gonna come back here to the criteria tab. I'm gonna refresh that data. Then I'm gonna jump back on our purchase stock card. And you're gonna see that 105 go up to 159. Essentially, all we did was we added 30 more days worth of inventory, which by the end of it, you can see has caused us to order a good bit more units than previously required. Now, again, safety stock days can be manipulated in a bunch of different ways. It's really going to determine what's best for your business. This is just showing an example of how it's just a simple number that plugs into the calculation. You can use it to manipulate that stock quantity as you see fit. If you guys have any questions on this, or you want to see some videos on some other topics, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs. Thanks, guys.